Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Derek in Louisiana on the new Magnum 1. Derek, we got it ready to go for you, my friend. Let me show you what we got here real quick. RF power all the way down, roughly 1 watt. Let's roll it all the way up. 5 watts. Average power, 100 watt slug. Hello, audio. 10 watts, a little over. Check peak power. Hello, audio. 50 watts peak. Alright, Derek, hope you enjoy it. A lot of neat little aspects to this radio. Great AM radio, great sideband radio, great FM. Just a great radio. From your friend Truck CBSales@gmail.com. Bump bump.